Igt Testing Systems. Research, development and production of testing equipment for the printing and allied industries. With more than 50 years of experience in the printing, ink and paper industry, Igt Testing Systems is famous for its Igt printability testers, which are available for offset, flexo and gravure printing. In the printing industry, Igt printability testers are used for quality control to determine the right color before the printing press is started. This is especially important where corporate colors are used. In the packaging industry, for example, where branding is very important and the demands and expectations are high. For the printing industry, several types of printability testers are available, depending on the applied printing technique. For example, the Orange Proofer and C1 series for offset, the F1 series for flexo, and the G1 series for gravure. All these testers are used for making print samples based on the actual ink and substrate combinations. With these printed samples, many properties can be tested. Most important are the color measurements in color matching systems. In the ink industry, Igt printability testers are used for quality control and for research and development, testing the behavioral properties of ink and coatings. Depending on the purpose and type of ink, a wide range of printability and tack testers is available for gravure, offset and flexo. These instruments do tests on color, density, ink transfer, wet on wet, and dry properties, but also do tack measurements in production, research and development. In the paper industry, testing equipment of Igt is used for quality control and for research and development to test printability properties of paper and board. For the paper industry, the most sophisticated testers like AIC25 and the global standard testers can be used to test many different properties such as picking, set-off, wet pick, wet repellents, mottle, heliotest and so on. Additional to printability testing equipment for the printing, ink and paper industry, Igt provides testing equipment for the decorative industry, metallized packaging industry and security industry for valuable papers with high security demands. Igt Testing Systems is well known as a worldwide developer and supplier of printability test equipment. Additionally, Igt Testing Systems functions as a connecting factor between the different industries. This makes Igt an expert on printability, and Igt is an active member of many international research and standardization committees, testing and certifying printing processes and printing presses. Igt tests are performed all over the world, and with its head office located in Amsterdam, branch offices in Chicago, Singapore and Tokyo, and a worldwide large network of local dealerships, Igt Testing Systems is represented in more than 40 countries.